Hello everyone, it's Jay missing here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make money using signals. Yes, by trading. I'm going to tell you how I made my first $200 using trading signals. So all you have to do is watch this video till the end. Let's get it together, guys. Alright guys, let's start setting up our trading system. We'll need the alligator indicator and the Williams oscillator, also known as Williams percentage R. So for the alligator, set the jaws period to 14, remove the teeth line, and make the remaining bands slightly thicker. Okay, everything's ready. Now we can break down the strategies logic, and this section is perfect for it. Let me walk you through it. So first key rule, monitor the crossover. Monitor the crossover between the blue and the green bands. So as you can see here. So key signal, when the blue band stays above, the asset trends downwards. That's our first trading condition. Now let's examine the opposite scenario. So example here, immediate band crossover, the green line dominates above and the price rallies in this zone. So you can see the logic here. So blue above means downward trend, green above means upward. It is the simplest signal for entries. So but sometimes the assets enters these phases sideways flat where the alligator becomes nearly useless, and that's why we have Williams R percentage. So we identify zones where the assets break out of its channel. For us, this is a signal to avoid the trade. As you can see here, here's the asset stalled and reverse. So now let's look at the opposite scenario. If Williams dips below or lower the boundary and then recovers, the asset starts gaining some momentum. So in this case, we have a stop signal. It's not worth entering the short position. So okay, now we're all set. The alligator indicator suggests an entry, while Williams warns of a reversal. So next, I'll carefully analyze the current market and find our first entry point. So let's go. Okay, so here's the first entry point, guys. I see a strong upside opportunity. So first, the previous downtrend has been broken. Now you can see the reversal forming on the chart. So second, the alligator's green line is above and nearing the asset is in its growth phase. Third, the Williams R percentage is just exiting and the oversold zone and re-entering the channel. We're seeing a bounce and it's reasonable to expect a new upward phase. So now let's confirm this price is already climbing. It's likely to move towards these levels, and here's the nearest one here, and with a further target beyond. Overall, the chart should retrace all the key levels it previously fell from. So remember traders, the market always moves from level to level. So it's crucial to spot them during your trades. At the very least, they serve as key reference points to your analysis. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, so our first trade is already set, guys. Now let's switch charts and trade something else. Okay, here we go. A new opportunity that I'll take immediately. Here I'm opening a short position. Let's break it down. The blue line is above the green line here, as you can see. So the asset is generally declining, and plus Williams has long exited the lower zone. Nothing prevents it from returning there, so we'll calmly wait for the results. A few words about the Williams indicator. It works best at the moment of re-entering the channel. If several candles close after that, the signal becomes irrelevant. This strategy works on any time frame, but keep in your mind its speed. You know, if you trade using it, catch the moments and watch the chart closely. So you have to pay close attention to this. Generally, this applies to all trading. The more attentive you are, the lower your chances of losing. Okay, so I'm closing on our profitable trade here, guys. And now let's increase the risk. Wait a bit and re-enter. We'll re-enter the market. I really like when this asset, the way this asset is going now. I'm sure we can open a few more strong trades here. Okay, perfect. Now's the time. I'm back in the market under the same conditions. Okay, I'm expecting a price drop. By the way, this is another advantage of strategy of the alligator in particular. The indicator allows multiple consecutive entries because essentially gives two signals, yes. It gives you a will rise signal and a will fall signal. If Williams doesn't signal the opposite, nothing stops us from making multiple trades on the same chart. In fact, in my experience, such trades tend to be more successful in the long run. So meanwhile, the price isn't at the best position yet, though it shows some sign of decline. We have 10 seconds before its expiration. Okay, yeah, you can see here, much better now. This is exactly the outcome we need. Just a couple more seconds and yes, locking in profits, guys. So now let's wait a bit and make another market entry. And of course, I'll show you other setups with different currency pairs later. So all right, we're expecting another drop. The last red candle clearly indicates there's still downside potential here. So now I'll show you the area. Okay, here it is. And this is where the price previously tried to break through. Now we see the third attempt. Maybe this one will succeed. As you can see, trading is often a dynamic activity with constant entry points and, growing deposits. If you want to try it yourself with minimal risk, all you have to do is click the link below, join my Telegram channel, and I'll guide you. So, in my Telegram channel, I share personal trade signals, I open trade myself, I share them with my team, and it's a great option for beginners looking to, upscale, learn, and get into the trading business as we do. And I recommend that you give it a try, see how it is. Meanwhile, I'm going to be closing my 4th profitable trade, guys, and boom, it's time to switch assets. I'll be back soon, guys. Let's get it. Okay, so I opened the short immediately. Here Williams is still neutral, the asset is declining, the alligator's blue line is on top. You can see here. So here's the target level, guys. There's also a second closer one. Now we just wait for the result. One more important thing to note about this strategy, guys, is that this is just an example. Your personal trading experience may differ, of course. Everybody is different. Everybody experiences different things. So nothing stops you from adding a third indicator if you need it, or you can just adjust the settings. For example, bring back the teeth line, which I removed. So you can do that, anything you want to do. So my goal is for you to give you like ready to use working tool. You can replicate it exactly or use it as a foundation for your own trading approach. So yeah, see, we've closed on our trade. Time to find the last one, and I'm already looking. Okay, opening another shot. Here's another similar setup. Let's analyze it. So to reinforce what we've learned, here's the level of the asset is approaching. We can expect a reversal from it, but not yet. See, other indicators within our strategy may suggest a drop. So this is perfect for our final trade of the day. Okay, so no movement in our direction yet, but no need to worry. Always keep your emotions in check. Cold-bloodedness and a sharp, accurate mind is the key to accurate trading. You need to keep your mind straight on what you want to do. So any assets moves almost randomly, especially within a single minute. Anything can happen until the very end. If you get, if you get emotional, if you lose your nerve, you're jittery, all that, it will always come back to bite you. All you have to do is be calm, be focused. So our final seconds, guys, and okay, yeah, that's what I want. See, that's what we call a brilliant result. Profit locked and right at the expiration, right at the diamonds. So that's enough for today, and let's wrap it up. And there you have it, guys. So you see, $4,000 in pure profit was made today. Yes, you can see here, $4,000. Anything is possible if you have a solid training system. Do you want to get better? Do you want to improve? Do you want to get more profitable? All you have to do is subscribe to my Telegram channel and you can have this. So what I want you to do for me now is like, subscribe, share, and comment so we can grow this family bigger and become even better and help more people. I'll see you guys later.